We are pleased to show you the 2015 Transit Wagon. The Ford Transit Wagon offers a wide variety of flexibility, regardless of whether you're trying to haul a large number of passengers or you simply need the space for work purposes. This vehicle is the meaning of versatility. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, steel wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season, four-wheel disc brakes, rear-wheel drive, traction control, variable speed, intermittent wipers. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.